I come from a humble, hardworking family. My grandfather was a business owner, my grandmother was a school teacher, and my mother worked in a managerial capacity for a large corporation for almost 2 decades. Witnessing my family's hard work ethic firsthand has instilled in me a level of passion, commitment, and empathy that I pass on to each one of my clients. Our passion is driven by our client's story and the will to achieve justice on behalf of our clients.
Growing up, the biggest influences on my life were my great-grandmother, my grandmother, and my mother. Together, combined, have spent over 100 years taking care of people. Those have transcended into my practice of law. We go in hoping that this corporation is going to do the right thing, right this wrong. Most oftentimes they don't, and we have to be prepared to fight.
I was a school teacher for about 3 years at the time. The day of the incident, I was walking my class to the lunch area, and a student reached up and hit me across the top of my head. I went and reported it to my principal and dean at the time. I later went on to my classroom where security removed me from the premises, and I was never actually allowed back into the school. I was offered a severance package to quit the company with 3 months' pay. I was being asked to leave the job for something that I didn't do. When I found Jackson Law, it was a sigh of relief. I finally felt like someone was listening to me. If you've ever been wrongfully terminated, you've ever been wronged on your job, or you find yourself in any type of legal trouble, you want to be heard. And Jackson Law assured me very quickly that they would listen to me. They reassured me that they would do the very best to make this situation come out not only in my favor, but that I would be heard and I would be cared for.
My firm's main goal is to making a positive impact on each of our clients' lives. The biggest myth when it comes to employment law or mass torts is that a particular client that's been harmed can't afford an attorney. But my firm practices what's called contingency fee practice, in which we finance the entire litigation for each one of our clients. So we don't get paid until the client wins. At Jackson APC, our goal is to make a positive impact on each of our clients' lives and make a positive impact on the world, one case at a time.
When people are going through a stressful situation, I want them to know that there's somebody that could help them. There's somebody that wants to listen to their story. If you're feeling hopeless, we want to help you here at Jackson APC.